everyone. In this video, we will see the construction steps for vertical merry-go-round using Curio mini parts. We'll use two single bars, put them in plus sign fashion and connect them using one flat rotator and two 0.5-inch bolts and nuts. We'll call this assembly as assembly A. Let's go to step 2. In this step, we will use one square plate. Onto the square plate, we will put one flat rotator using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut. In this fashion, it is slanted because we want this hole slightly to the left of this edge. Then we will connect one DC motor and motor shaft at this place here. We'll call this assembly B. Let's go to step 3. In step 3, we are going to use one C plate, one L plate and connect it using two nuts and bolts in this fashion so that we get a mast. We are going to connect one L connector here using a 0.5-inch bolt and nut and one L connector on this side again using 0.5-inch bolt and nut. Let's go to step 4. In step 4, we are going to mount the assembly B onto our mast. We had two L connectors, if you remember. We will connect this assembly onto those two L connectors using one nut bolt here and one nut bolt here. Let's go to step 5. In step 5, we will put one big gear onto the motor shaft and secure it with a shaft lock. And then through the whole of the flat rotator, we will put one small axle. Onto that axle, we'll put a medium gear and we will put two spacers on top here and lock this using a shaft lock below the square plate here. Let's go to next step. In this step, we will use assembly A, which we created in first step, and we are going to mount it on to this axle and connect it using a shaft lock. And that completes our vertical merry-go-round. I hope you enjoy operating this robot. Do let us know your experiences through comments under this video and definitely wait for our next video. Bye bye.